with this design is Brazilian geode agate. The first step is to clean the skin with alcohol and a baby wipe so that I have a clean canvas to work with. Next, I'm taking blue and outlining my design. I'm also using different hues of blue to give more depth and color. Now I'm adding a little bit of white to fill in some spots. Now coming in with the airbrush to add a little more haze to the lines. To give the effect of crystals, I'm taking rock candy and gluing it to her skin. Next, I'm adding lashes. Crystals were my inspiration for this piece. Each one of those layers is kind of a different story, so I want to kind of tell a story of her.